Hello everyone, today let's discuss about urinary tract infections. Infections which occurs to urinary tract. So, what are urinary tract infections? First of all, an infection in any part of urinary system. It may be kidney, it may be bladder, or it may be urethra. Any part of urinary system infection is called as urinary tract infection. These are mostly common in women when compared with men. They may occur mainly in bladder or urethra. Types of urinary tract infections, mainly four types. They are urethritis, means infection of urethra; cystitis, infection of bladder; pyelonephritis, infection of kidneys; vaginitis, infection of vagina. As I told you earlier, itis in pharmacy terms means itis means always inflammation. So, urinary tract infections are mainly caused by microorganisms such as bacteria. They first enters through urethra and bladder and causes inflammation and infection at urethra and bladder. Sometimes they also enters into deeper parts and can infect your kidneys. Symptoms of these urinary tract infections, mainly persistent urge to urinate, means you want to urinate more and more frequently and urgency will be there, and there are also burning and paining sensation will be there while urinating, and cloudy urine, concentrated urine will occur, and pink, red color or brownish color urine will be there with smell. And when it comes to diagnosis, urine test mainly done when the diagnostic test urine test is performed. If it shows some amount of white blood cells, that indicates this urine tract infection occurred, and imaging test is performed for computerized tomography, and ultrasound of the pelvis is also performed for knowing this, and a cystoscopy is performed in which camera is inserted into urethra for observing this urethra and bladder from inside. If any cysts are formed or if any strictures occurred, then it can also diagnose cancer, so that we can see directly through the system. And when it comes to treatment of these urinary tract infections, mainly the drugs such as nitrofurantoin or phosphomycin are used, and also trimethoprim, sulfamethoxazole, ciprofloxacin or levofloxacin antibiotics are used for treating these urinary. When it comes to prevention, drink plenty of fluids, drink cranberry juice, and wipe from front to back while passing fecus, and empty your bladder whenever you finished your intercourse with your partner. Empty your bladder immediately, and don't use any irritating feminine products. So this is about urinary tract infections. Subscribe to my channel for more and more important classes. Thank you. Jai Hind.